Cut Den update. Kita naman gaano kasaya sila Alden Richard at Katrin Bernardo. Kasama rin si Direk Cathy. Yan, sa movie nilang Hello Love Again. Siyempre si Mami Min, supportive din sa Cut Den. Ayun yung pagdating ng Cut Den. Most awaited movie ngayong taon.
Bati muna tayo, Alden. Magandang gabi. Gabi na po.
Gabi na. Tumipas ka na eh.
Hindi po kami, ako po, kaming lahat po, hindi po kami makapaniwala na finally it's happening this year. And
5 years.
Couldn't be more excited po on what's about to unfold in the next couple of months. Pero maraming salamat po sa inyong na nandito ngayon.
Kat? Hello! Hello po, good evening. Thank you so much for being here, of course. Our bosses are here from ABS and GMA for the first time.
Collaboration.
And to our parents,
GMA and ABS.
Cathy and everybody, thank you for being here. I know it's a Sunday, but nandito kayo lahat to show your support. So maraming salamat ngayon.
Hindi pwedeng wala kami ngayon. Kasi this is a big announcement. Okay. I mean, marami naghintay, kasama kaming lahat doon. And syempre, I would like to thank, of course, my bosses from GMA, Miss Annette, Miss Joy, Miss Nessa, for letting me do Hello Love Again, of course, to our bosses also in ABS, Sir CLK and Tita Cory, thank you so much. Direk and Kat, na-miss ko kayo. Na-miss ko tong film, Carmi, Tala. Tala kasi tawag namin sa kanya. Kaya, yung Hazel kasi, you know, and I couldn't be happier today kasi parang this gave me another motivation, you know, yung gigising ka sa umaga na meron kang look forward. So I am so excited and very happy that this is happening. For everyone po, sana kung paano nyo sinuportahan yung Hello Love Goodbye, sana makuha din po namin yung supportan yun and more pa, times 2 pa. So, Hello Love Again in cinemas, exclusively in cinemas, November 13, 2024.
It's finally happening. Gabi, ngayon lang nagsisink in sa amin actually. Kasi sinabi ko kanina pa, kagabi pa ako kinakabahan. I don't know why, maybe it's more of excitement and halo-halong emotion, but then seeing everybody here, ramdam na ramdam namin yung support at excitement nyo, and parang yun nag-fuel sa amin na makapagsulat ulit sa Ate Carly, and mag-start na kami mag-shoot. You know, it's not gonna be easy, but then here we are. This is so exciting, you know. We thought we already said our goodbyes, but here you are, saying our hellos. And like we all said kanina, this is a first, a lot of firsts, and excited lang siguro ako, so thank you so much for giving us another opportunity to tell another story and to share continue sharing Ethan and Joy's story, but this time in Canada. Sana po supportahan niyo lahat. We'll see you in cinemas. We'll be back this November, of course. This will be on the GMA Pictures and Star Cinema. Let's do it.
Thank you, Catherine. Thank you, Alden.
Ayun pa nga yung teaser ng Hello Love Again, November 13 na, worldwide. Post siya ni Daddy Bay, ni Alden. Post din.
Catherine Bernardo and Alden Richards in Hello Love.
Excited na ang lahat. Hello Love Again. Huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe, click ang notification bell for more update. Ito po ang Richard Reaction Vlog. Bye guys, team for watch.